Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. For today's video, I am here to give an update of the quality questions that appear in the CXC in terms of the topics and examples of each that may appear. I did one before, but persons are saying I spoke too fast, so they didn't get a chance to catch everything. So you'll be seeing me looking down as I have them written on a piece of paper. So let's get right into it. So the first one I have here is sets, and from sets you can have the set notation. You can have the elements of a set, ask to list them or to state the number of subsets. You have to identify the shaded region, and from this is linked with set notation. You have the type of set, you have the number of subsets. I think I just said that one. Number of subsets. You also have fractions, where you either have to simplify or evaluate. You have ratios, you have variation, you have standard form, you have consumer arithmetic, and under this they normally send discount question, foreign exchange, profit loss, percentage profit, percentage loss, wages, salaries. You have vectors, where you ask to evaluate vectors. You have statistics, where you have the mean, the mode, the median, the range, the interquartile range, and sometimes standard deviation, depending on if they give you a list of numbers for you to determine or to estimate the standard deviation. You have equations that are linear and quadratic, where you have to factorize or solve for x. You have inequalities. You have transformation geometry, where you have reflection, rotation, enlargement, and the others, glide reflection and all of that. You have mapping, approximation. You have matrices. You have quadratic function, where you may be asked to state the axis of symmetry, the minimum, the maximum point, or the turning point. You may be asked to state the y-intercept of the function that you're given. You have factorization, where you have different methods of solving quadratic. If it's completing the square, some would say the vertex form. You may be using the AC method. You may be finding the roots of the particular function. You have perfect square, difference of two squares. I also have functions here, where you may be asked to evaluate functions. You may be asked to find the inverse of a function. Composite functions operate on composite function is addition or subtraction, and sometimes multiplication. You'll have the vertical line test, or you test if a function is a function or not a function. You have the line test method, and you also have the method where you identify the x coordinates to see if they repeat and all of that. So once they repeat, it's not a function. You have geometry, where you have the equation of the line. You have the gradients / slope. You have the midpoint, length of line, and the list goes on. You also have the trig ratios, where you find missing angles and you find missing lengths. You have the sine rule and the cosine rule. You are going to be given about area and perimeter of quadrilaterals, triangles, circles, area of sector, length of arc, and those things. So if I remember anything else, I'll be happy to share it with you. But for now, these are the ones that I remember. I'm going to go ahead and search the online platform to see if I can find any more and give it to you. So I hope the person who emailed me, and I can't remember your name right now, but I know you emailed me asking me for them. It was kind of a lot to type out on the computer or my phone, so I decided to do a video to help other persons along with you. So I hope this was useful for you. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let them come and learn some math from me. They can make requests from whatever grade they're at. If it's PEP, primary school, as in from infant school, go right down to sixth form. If you need help, even in college, I'm here to support you as best as I can. So make your requests. I'll be happy to do the videos for you, and you will see the upload. All right. Thank you guys.